Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we are going to install Feren OS, which is a very beautiful Linux distribution. And if your computer's 64-bit and has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, and you're new to Linux and you want to find a good Linux distribution that looks really high-techy and cool, but is also very easy to use and not bloated, Feren OS is the distro for you. So first what we're going to do is we're going to format a USB drive as a setup disk. Make sure you have, I think, at least 4 gigabytes of a USB drive that you can use. And then we're going to install it on our computer. And it's really easy and simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Alright, so on your computer, you're going to want to have this software called Etcher installed. You can download it for Linux in the link below, or you could also do it for Windows or Mac OS. So, once you have it installed, just open Etcher. Alright, and as you can see, now, here it is. Alright, so, plug in your USB device. And, just cancel. So, now we can do flash from file. And we'll do Feren OS. That's a very beautiful Linux distribution, and why not? But yeah, so we'll do Feren OS, and we will do select target, and right here, this is our flash drive. At least that's mine. And then we will click flash. Alright, so as you can see, here we are on the Feren OS desktop live environment. We'll just go ahead and click this little shortcut on here that says install Feren OS. Alright, and when it gets here, we'll just click next. After you select the language, of course. So, right here, this is what it has on it. Windows and all these other weird partitions that who knows what they do. So we're just going to do erase disk. Now keep in mind literally what it says right here is correct. This will delete all currently present data on the selected storage device, which is our, that's about 1 terabyte. So that's our 1 terabyte hard drive on this computer. All Windows, this is all your data. It will be completely wiped, and it will install Feren OS, as you can see right here. So we'll click next, and we will literally just click install. And then it's really that easy to install it. And of course, once you boot it up, it will ask you to create a user, and it will walk you through the steps to creating a user. But it's very easy. It's very obvious, and I probably don't even have to explain that in the video because it's very simple to do. So that's it. This is a very beautiful Linux distribution, a very nice desktop environment and layout and everything, and it's super easy to install. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.